Good morning, everyone. It's Mike Brownlee over here at Boyd Automotive in St. Catharines, Ontario. I want to talk to you a little bit about rust proofing and how important it is to rust proof your vehicle. Now, this vehicle here came in yesterday for its annual safety inspection, and upon pulling the right rear wheel, you can see in the vehicle here that there's a huge hole. Okay, unfortunately, this will not pass safety, and we have to repair that part of the vehicle. I'm just showing you here the rust on the inner side of the vehicle. Part of the rust from the vehicle has also fallen on the ground here. You can see all the components here. We have to repair that, unfortunately. It's going to cost the gentleman a few $1,000s to fix this. Look up corrosion free. You can Google that. It's well known across Canada. There's many suppliers that use this product. It is rated the #1 product in Canada at this point in time. It's been, I think it's been around for about 35 years. The Canadian Army uses this product on their tanks. So if you have any questions, give us a call. You can call any of us at Boyd Automotive in St. Catharines. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.